I had enrolled for online job internship program at eVision. They have experts in their respective fields. Myself, Bhushan Khushalrao Dighore belongs to Nagpur. I have completed my graduation in BE in Mechanical Engineering in S.B.Jain Institute of Technology, Management and Research in 2016. Trainers take online classes on the time as per schedule and give an answer to each and every question during the live session. Assignment and Assignment and projects are well designed, and they also provide live class recorded videos, and they provide live and lifetime access. I got placed with HCL Tech Limited, salary offered 3 LPA. Apart from this excellent support team they have, the support team solves each and every query and also takes the one to one live session for the query if needed. Thank you eVision and their team.